Before we get into today's episode, here's a quick recap of how we got here. Over the last few videos, we stripped this 125cc down, rebuilt what needed rebuilding, and wrestled with way more little problems than we expected. From cleaning up the frame and fixing the wiring, to chasing the fuel issue, to finally getting everything back together. This build has been a mix of progress, setbacks, and a lot of late nights. But all that work brought us to today, the moment we tried starting for the first time. And of course, the one time we really needed the camera rolling, it wasn't. Still, the bike fired up on the very first try, and that's a huge milestone for this build. So let's pick up right where things got interesting.
Alright, welcome back, YouTube. What's up, my little beardies? We're on harsh. As everybody knows, we did get a gas motor and put on here. Finally got everything, well, a couple of things ordered, and they came in. So you got the new wiring harness, CDI box, all that good shit. Anyways, I did get it running. Got all the wires taped up, zip tied, everything looks good. But, oh, I still got to put a new clutch cable on there. I still got to get a new handle ordered for that. I did change out the throttle. Got a new throttle put on there today. What else did I do today? Good. Besides that, I did get it running. Anyways, we'll fire her up real quick. It's got so much horsepower. Got to use the drill to start it. But it's got so much horsepower. Whoa! Easy, girl. Here we go. Still sounds like not idle for a little high. Maybe it's just going to need to warm up some still. Here, quick. It don't sound bad though. Anyways, there we have it. The Frankenbike.
It's alive!
It's alive!
It's alive! It's alive! It's alive!
I'm gonna pull the exhaust off and clean the rust up off of that. And then besides having to do the clutch and everything, I think it'll be good to go. So hopefully we'll have some videos to make maybe this weekend or by mid next week. Maybe. We'll see what happens. It's good to go though. It's good to go. Oh damn, I should have tried to just save my button for it. I couldn't even get that part. Huh? 'Cause I plugged it in. Doing that drill. Fucking hey. Alright.
Now we know she starts. Let's see if she rides.
Oh! Hey, look at that chain. That thing going down. Not off.
You go any further, you're gonna run my fucking toe.
Bro. Hold on, I just want to see something.
Hey, look!
So the good news is the 125cc finally starts and runs. The bad news? We still can't actually drive it anywhere because the chain and sprocket are having a full-on disagreement. They don't line up, they don't mesh, they don't even want to be friends. So for now, the bike sounds great, it just can't go anywhere. But hey, progress is progress. Let's figure out what's going on and get this thing rolling for real.
See if it still works.
I didn't feel it.
There.
This thing's got so much horsepower, you gotta start it with a drill, okay?
But don't worry, we weren't stopping there. As you saw in the last video, we got a new chain and sprocket, got them installed, and now the bike runs perfectly. Well, at least it would, if the back rim wasn't so bent that it keeps tossing the chain off like it's quitting its job. So yeah, the 125cc finally runs, finally rides, and of course, is already giving us a whole new set of problems. But hey, that's the fun of the build.
Look, I did it!
I know what I'm doing now. I'm a bike mechanic.